Switching to some football news now, Reggae Boy forward Leon Bailey says he's not concerned about the physical demands of the English game. Bailey signed a 5-year deal with the Premier League club Aston Villa on Tuesday and says he's prepared for the next chapter of his career. The move ends his 4-year spell with Bayer Leverkusen in the German Bundesliga, where he scored 39 goals in 156 appearances.
It doesn't play on my mind. You know, I've always been a player who is very dominant, regardless of my opponent. That's how I was built. That's how Phoenix built all the young players. So we have no fear, regardless. We've been playing against older people since we were very young. So, you know, we're grown to be fearless. So I don't have that on my mind. Only thing that's on my mind is that I'm going there to destroy and continue waving the flag high.
Bailey will be eligible for selection for Aston Villa's first game of the season on August 14 against fellow Reggae boy Andre Gray and Watford. The 5-year deal will tie him to the Birmingham-based club until the summer of 2026.